Hi guys, Artem here, CEO of Daniliants Ventures. I wanted to give you a brief overview of our free SEO audit tool. So, on our website, just click free SEO audit, fill out the information, provide your website URL, email address, company name, and remember, you can also analyze your competitors. So yeah, and we will send you a PDF via an email. And then once you open that PDF, you will see something like this. This is an SEO report for Sonos.com. They make some awesome speakers. So here you'll be able to see how many recommendations, SEO related recommendations, does your website have. You can also, if I zoom in a little bit, you can also see how it's performing overall. Remember, the report analyzes the domain and the first front page, the front page. So it's not analyzing every single page on your website. This is just something you should keep in mind, because if you want a very thorough report, it usually takes quite a lot of resources and is very hard to automate. But if you need an SEO audit, like a very thorough one, we definitely can help. So as you can see here, overall rating is B, which is not bad. It's okay, right? You see here that on-page SEO is not bad. Amount of links is pretty sufficient. Usability is suffering, and performance is good. And social-related stuff is very good as well. And here you can see overall the ranking across multiple metrics, right? Okay. So here you will see also recommendations, right? And you will see how important they are. So low priority, obviously something that you should be able to fix if you have the time and the resources. High is something you should definitely fix ASAP. And medium priority is something you should definitely fix soon. Okay, so here you have a summary of the on-page SEO, right? Title tag, all good, all good. You can see here a preview, right? Preview of your SERP results. And then this is an issue, H1 header tag. So they are not using H1 header tag. This is not very good, but very easy to fix. And then keyword consistency, right? They could be a little bit more consistent. Then you can see here top keywords used on the page, and again this is front page. Phrases used, amount of content, so word count is really good. And then they don't have image alt attributes. This is a way for website owners to describe what is actually depicted on an image, right? This is important for people with limited vision, and of course it's important for search engines. Canonical tag, all that good stuff, SSL, HTTPS, sitemap, Google Analytics is used as well, but they don't use schema.org structured data. This means that this is definitely something they could work on. Schema allows you to get into Google's rich snippet results, right? And that gives you a little bit more of an edge compared to competitors who are not using schema. And here you can see top ranking keywords. Sonos, it's pretty much all brand related keywords, more or less. And then there is a little bit of some weird Yahoo stuff and TubeU music. Well, anyway, you can see top keywords for this domain, and you can also see, you know, in what market are they ranking for. You can see amount of total searches for this keyword in this market, and you see how much of that volume is this website getting for this keyword. Obviously those are all estimates. And then estimated traffic volume from Google, and this is pretty significant. So 3.5 million views from Google. And then you also see how many position 1 keywords do they have. So basically they have over 10,000 keywords that they rank number 1 in Google, right? Which is pretty damn amazing. But again, it's a big company and they've been around for quite some time. So you see the keyword position distribution. You also see link profile here, right? So you see domain strength, page strength, and then you see amount of backlinks, and they have huge amount of backlinks, 1.4 million, right? Referring domains, 34,000, and here you see how many edu, gov backlinks, and so forth they have. And then top backlinks, right? Those are the backlinks that are bringing the most juice, so to speak, and having the most influence, right? And then you see here pages with the most backlinks from other websites, and then top anchors for backlinks. Again, this allows you to understand a little bit their backlinking strategy, right? Again, here I don't think they have a specific backlinking strategy because they're not using anchor text to its full potential. And then top referring domain geographies, right? So you see that most of them are, .com, and then there is this other that have, basically other top level domains that are not listed here. And on page link structure, friendly links, they don't have friendly links. So this is again something that is not very good. Usability. Usability definitely needs some improvement, right? So as you can see here, it's, largest contentful paint. This means that there is something technical that definitely needs to be optimized, especially on mobile devices. And then we have here Google's page speed insight for mobile. And you see here that it's not very good. This is again something that developers definitely could take a look at. And performance, the actual loading of the page, pretty good. No issues there. There are some JavaScript errors. Again, developers should take a look. And then they're using newest HTTP protocol that allows the website to load even faster and be more secure. Images are optimized, and they have Facebook connected, Facebook Pixel connected, Twitter connected. They are using Twitter cards to get better visibility on Twitter. They have Instagram connected. They don't have associated LinkedIn profile, but yeah. And YouTube is connected as well, and they're pretty popular on YouTube, as you can see. And then local SEO. It's a huge multinational company, so they're not really putting a lot of effort into local SEO, right? It's not like they have one office through which they sell their products. So for them, local SEO is not very important. But that's it. Hopefully this was useful. And again, this is absolutely free. There are no limits. Make use of it. And if you want us to do a thorough report for your website that includes, report for all the pages on your website, properly human-created suggestions, a list of things you need to do, priorities, all of that good stuff, please contact us. Otherwise, have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.